Stop doing nothing and start making your time count. Instead of just scrolling through social media or playing games, why not start earning Rox tokens for your hustle instead? Imagine transforming your everyday movements into money. Yes, you heard that right. With Robox, earning cryptocurrency is as simple as pressing start. Just a single tap and you're on your way to earning. This free mobile app rewards you with Rox tokens for just being active. Whether you're walking to work, running in the park, or even just moving around your house, every step counts. Walk, run, or even invite friends to join and watch your earnings grow. The best part? You don't have to change your routine. Just keep moving as you normally would. The more you move, the more you earn. It's that simple. And it's not just about walking or running. Any physical activity can help you earn more Rox tokens. And with the speed up option, you can multiply your Rox by making everyday purchases or subscriptions. Imagine getting rewarded for things you already do, like buying groceries or subscribing to your favorite streaming service. It's like getting paid for living your life. Every purchase you make can boost your earnings, making it even more rewarding to stay active. Got friends who love crypto? Share the love and the rewards. Invite them to join Robox and snag a 15% bonus on their earnings. The more friends you invite, the more bonuses you can earn. It's a win-win for everyone. Plus, hold on to your Rox tokens daily for extra rewards. The longer you keep your tokens, the more rewards you can accumulate. It's a great way to build up your crypto portfolio. Robox makes it easy and fun to dive into the crypto world. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll find it simple to start earning and enjoying the benefits. So why wait? Download Robox now and turn your steps into crypto gold. It's time to make your movements matter and start earning today. Join the Robox community and see how fun and rewarding staying active can be.